I just finished The Vanished Birds by Simon Jimenez. This is a sci-fi kind of fable feel to me. It follows several characters over time, and there's a lot of like relativistic time happening. So you have some characters that were sort of in their lifespan, but then there are other characters who are aging much more in real time. So they are coming and going. But you basically learn right away that there is a boy who seems to be really special for some reason to some very powerful people. It's not really clear why or how they discovered him, but there are his caretakers who are sort of protecting him and nurturing him while a lot develops at first in the background and then comes very much to the foreground, and then we deal with the aftermath of some future changing events. All these are elements that you'll find in The Vanished Birds. To sum it all up though, this one caught me by surprise. There are some really cool science fiction elements, not time travel per se, more so just warping time and space in a way to travel instantaneously, how colonization works in this far future existence, and really seeing a through line from like our current day, very modern world that we live in, to a lot of the problems of society and civilization that project forward through time. Even though we spread out, even though worlds and galaxies become our domain, when I say our, I just mean human civilization. And so a lot of that is happening, but the thing that caught me off guard really is the strength in the characters and sort of the human spirit. And I think that's why fable comes to mind when I think about this book. It got me at the end. I found this book at its final page to be a devastatingly beautiful meditation on what makes us human, our connectedness in the universe, and even faith. So I definitely recommend this book. It'd been a minute since I've read some sci-fi, and I was glad to get back with this one.